The roar of the engine echoes through the streets, announcing the arrival of a legend reborn, the 2025 Pontiac GTO Judge. Decades after the last GTO rolled off the assembly line, Pontiac's return has been a highly anticipated event in the automotive world. Designed to honor its heritage while embracing modern innovation, the new GTO Judge captures the essence of classic American muscle with cutting-edge technology and performance. The 2025 GTO Judge is built on a bespoke platform, blending retro design cues with modern aerodynamics. The car's aggressive stance, sculpted lines, and wide, muscular fenders evoke memories of the iconic 1969 model. The front fascia is dominated by a bold split grille with illuminated Judge badging, flanked by sleek LED headlights that nod to its heritage. Functional hood scoops and a rear spoiler provide both aesthetic appeal and aerodynamic functionality. With its convertible top, the dual-tone paint scheme, including the classic Orbit Orange option, brings back the vibrant spirit of the golden age of muscle cars. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine capable of producing an earth-shaking 750 horsepower. This engine, affectionately dubbed the Judge Hammer, delivers ferocious power and an intoxicating exhaust note. Coupled with an 8-speed manual transmission, the car provides a visceral connection between driver and machine. For those who prefer modern convenience, an optional 10-speed automatic transmission is also available. The powertrain is further enhanced with advanced cylinder deactivation technology, allowing the GTO Judge to achieve respectable fuel efficiency when cruising. The 2025 GTO Judge doesn't just excel in straight-line speed, it also offers exceptional handling. An adaptive suspension system, developed with motorsport technology, ensures the car remains composed through tight corners and high-speed maneuvers. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power, ensuring the Judge is as controlled as it is fast. With a perfect 50/50 weight distribution and a lightweight aluminum chassis, the GTO Judge strikes a balance between raw power and precise handling. The interior of the GTO Judge is a harmonious blend of luxury, technology, and nostalgia. Premium materials such as Alcantara, leather, and brushed aluminum adorn the cabin, creating an environment that feels both refined and sporty. The driver-featured cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display performance metrics, navigation, and more. A large touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, sits at the center of the dashboard, seamlessly integrating modern connectivity. The seats, inspired by racing buckets, provide exceptional support during spirited drives while remaining comfortable for long journeys. Subtle nods to the Judge's heritage, such as embossed GTO logos and retro-inspired toggle switches, add a layer of authenticity to the interior. Ambient lighting, available in multiple colors, allows drivers to tailor the cabin's atmosphere to their liking. Safety and driver assistance technologies have not been overlooked in the 2025 GTO Judge. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking come standard, ensuring peace of mind during daily commutes or weekend adventures. The car is also equipped with a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. The GTO Judge is more than just a car, it's an experience. It represents the culmination of decades of engineering, innovation, and passion. From its thunderous acceleration to its striking design, every aspect of the car has been meticulously crafted to reignite the excitement of driving. The Judge isn't just about numbers or statistics, it's about the thrill of the open road and the connection between driver and machine. Pontiac's decision to bring back the GTO Judge in an era dominated by electric vehicles and SUVs is a bold one. However, the car has been designed with an eye toward the future. A hybrid variant of the GTO Judge is already in development, featuring an electric motor that adds an additional 150 horsepower. This version promises even faster acceleration while maintaining the raw character enthusiasts expect from a GTO. The revival of the GTO Judge has also spurred a wave of nostalgia among car enthusiasts. Owners of classic GTOs have formed communities to celebrate the return of their beloved nameplate, organizing meetups and road trips to showcase their restored and modern Judges side by side. Pontiac has embraced this enthusiasm by offering a comprehensive customization program, allowing buyers to create a truly one-of-a-kind vehicle. From bespoke paint colors to unique interior trims, the possibilities are nearly endless. As the 2025 Pontiac GTO Judge begins to hit the streets, it's clear that it is more than just a car. It's a statement. It serves as a reminder that the spirit of American muscle is alive and well, even in an age of rapid technological change. The Judge is a tribute to the past, a celebration of the present, and a glimpse into the future of performance cars. Whether tearing down a drag strip, carving through a winding canyon road, or simply turning heads in a crowded parking lot, the 2025 GTO Judge commands respect. It's a car that lives up to its name, delivering a verdict of exhilaration to anyone fortunate enough to get behind the wheel. With its perfect fusion of heritage and innovation, the GTO Judge has reclaimed its place as a true icon of American automotive history.